Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the ice maker water supply line in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Shut off the water supply as well. Pull the refrigerator away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screw to release the water inlet line coupler from the lower rear access panel. Unthread all of the screws to release the access panel. Use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the locking clip, securing the ice maker water supply line to the inlet valve. You can use a 7/16" wrench to help depress the retaining ring to release the line from the valve. You may need to break the pinch clamp to release the water supply line from the fitting leading to the ice maker. Peel back the tape to fully remove the old supply line. Prepare the new ice maker water supply line for installation by first trimming the line to the appropriate length. Transfer the metal water tube insert from the old line to the new one. Now insert that end into the fitting leading to the ice maker. Use a new clamp to secure. Insert the opposite end into the inlet valve port until fully seated. Insert the locking clip to secure. Secure the supply line to the rear panel with the tape. Reinstall the access panel. Be sure to secure the water inlet line coupler to the panel. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.